Hi, boys and girls. Happy Monday. I hope you had a wonderful, wonderful Easter with your families. I hope everybody is safe and healthy. This is Miss Behrens coming at you from my kitchen table. So last week we worked on fractions. This week I'm going to try to do something different. I'm going to try to put maybe 2, maybe 3 days of lessons in one video. That way you can do it however you choose. You can do a little bit a day. You can do it all in one day. Totally up to you. There's plenty of things you kiddos can be practicing. Last week we left off by finishing or working on Name the Fraction, Represent a Fraction packet. Get that packet out and I want you to turn to this page. Name the fraction number 1. This is pretty easy, pretty fun. Look at number 1. Remember, when we count the total number of parts in a whole, I say 1, 2, 3. 3 is my what? Numerator or denominator? Yeah, that's my denominator. So my 3 goes down here. How many pieces of that fraction are colored in? 1, 2. So I'm going to write a 2 as my numerator. Let's read that fraction together. 2/3. Awesome. Look at number 2. How many pieces are in the whole? Yeah, that's right, 2. How many are colored? 1. Do you remember how to say that fraction? We don't say 1/2. We say 1/2. Okay, I mean really easy, my loves. I want you to do the rest of this page and name that fraction number 2. This is a pretty fun, easy warm-up for you. So that's your Monday work. That should take you like 2 minutes, right? I hope you're still practicing your math facts for me. I put a bunch of different math fact games on the Google site. So, or just, Google math multiplication facts. Or if you're on division, math division facts. Keep practicing those facts for me, okay? Look at the next page. Color the fraction. Get out those crayons or markers or colored pencils. I have mine right here. So let's look at number 1. Color the fraction. They're telling me I have to color 4/5. Okay, so how many pieces am I going to color? That's my numerator. I'm going to use my second favorite color, orange, so you can see it. I'll color 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yours should look a little something like that. Hopefully nicer. You guys are better colorers than me. Okay. Look at the next one. 5/10. Can you show me what 5/10 looks like? So you're going to color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/10. You know what this 5/10 looks like to me? It also looks like 1/2. Our next lesson, we're going to be talking about equivalent fractions, so we'll talk about how 5/10 is the same as 1/2. Now, for your Tuesday, all you have to do is color these fractions for me. And do color the fraction number 1. Color the fraction number 2. Okay, I'm going to give you more because this is not quite enough for you guys. Then we're going to look at the fractions on a number line. Okay, so first we have to find out our denominator. Let me make sure I'm showing you. I'm going to look at number 1. What's my denominator? Well, how many pieces is this cut into? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my denominator is 5ths. And where is this one? Well, 1, 2. See how the arrow's pointing to the second hash mark? So what's my fraction? 2/5. Okay, look at number 2. What's it cut into? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's fourths. Okay, where's my arrow? 1, 2, 2 fourths. And very shortly we're going to talk about how 2 fourths is the same as, look where it's at, right in the middle, so that's 1/2. Okay, go ahead and do this page and this page for me. Fractions on a number line number 1, fractions on a number line number 2. Okay, that's your Tuesday work. That's 4 pages, but that's really not that much for you kiddos. Okay, let's pretend it's Wednesday. So Wednesday, you're going to take the quiz for me. Look at the back. Understanding fractions quiz. Here's the thing. There's some you don't even have to do. Cross out the bottom box where there is a hexagon. We're not doing that one. Here's what I want you to do. I kind of already have the answers. Don't look. Okay, 5, 6. We're going to do this together, kiddos. So, get your quiz ready. I'm going to read it to you just like everything else. Label the fraction parts. 5, 6. Well, they want you to tell them. Is 5 the top number? Is that the numerator or the denominator? And then 6. Is that the numerator or the denominator? Go ahead and write your answer. I'll give you a minute. Okay, look at the second one. Represent 5, 6 using the following. So you have 3 different ways you have to show me. First, look at the bar model. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. What does that denominator or that numerator tell you? That's the number of pieces you have to color in for me. So go ahead. Show me 5, 6 on your bar model. Then show me 5, 6 on your number line. And then show me 5, 6 with your parts of a group. Go ahead, I'll give you a minute. Okay, if you're not done, pause the video until you're done. Perfect, then look at the last one for me. Remember, we're not doing this guy, so just do this guy. Find the fraction for each. Okay, so how many pieces are there in that bar? And how many pieces are we talking about? So remember, your total number of pieces is your denominator. The number that are shaded is your numerator. Go ahead and write that fraction for me. And then on your line, how many pieces are there? And what is it pointing to? Go ahead and write that fraction for me. Okay, are you ready to check? Use a different colored pencil or marker or pen. I'll use, I guess I'll go with purple because it matches my sweater. All right. Label the fraction part up here for 5, 6. Did you write numerator for your 5 and denominator for your 6, right? Okay, and then when we're looking at 5, 6 on the bar, you should have colored in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rectangles, and only one should be left. That shows 5, 6. Down here on the number line, you should count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that shows you 5, 6. How many stars did you color in? Was it 5? It should be. It's parts of a group. You should have 5, 6. And then what fraction did you get up here? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my denominator is an 1/8, and my numerator is 5. Did you get 5/8? And then our number line. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So your denominator is a 9. Your numerator is a 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. Okay, boys and girls, that's it for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. If you have any questions, have mom or dad email me. Don't forget, you have Think Central where you can play games and review, and you have your iReady username and password. That one is super fun, and it goes through lessons with you at your pace. All right, we'll do more for Thursday and Friday. Maybe we'll travel to my living room. I hope you guys are safe and awesome.